What's up, guys? In this video, we will be checking out 2 online trading brokerage and what are the things that you need to know about them. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of PU Prime and this is the landing page of Plus500. A link to this will be in the description of the video. Now guys, PU Prime stands out for its integration with MetaTrader 4, or otherwise known as MT4 or MT5, depending on how you're familiar with that one. And they are offering an extensive array of technical indicators, charting tools, and customizable features that will definitely be very, very helpful in terms of doing your technical analysis and making your trades efficient. So this comprehensive suite also enables traders to conduct in-depth technical analysis. And in contrast, guys, and Plus500 provides functional charting tools with a focus on simplicity. Now, though its advanced indicators and customization options are comparatively limited, PU Prime actually handles the advantage for this one because they deliver a higher level of technical analysis depth, which caters to traders with more sophisticated needs. So now, in terms of fundamental analysis, PU Prime also offers access to economic calendars, news feeds, and market analysis reports with potential third-party integrations that also enhances information access. Now, Plus500 also provides economic calendars and news, but it offers a less extensive range of fundamental analysis resources. So through the MT4 and MT5, guys, PU Prime connects to numerous news and data feeds, which offers comprehensive market insights that would definitely be helpful in terms of you doing your research and getting more data for you to be able to decide, on your entries and exit points. Now, additionally, PU Prime also supports trading signals and expert advisors on their MT4 and MT5. So they are enhancing their automated analysis and trading opportunities through that. Now, Plus5's alert system is also functional, but they offer fewer advanced features. Now, PU Prime users benefit from a wider array of automated trading tools, which is very, very efficient and very, very helpful for you to be able to make sure that you do not miss out on any of your entries and exit points. Now, while Plus500's proprietary platform is user-friendly, PU Prime's use of industry standard MT4 and MT5 ensures the compatibility across devices and third-party tools. So the robust mobile analysis tools and the extensive educational resources available through PU Prime provides the traders with greater flexibility and knowledge. So overall, in my honest opinion, guys, PU Prime offers a more powerful and customizable analysis environment, which makes it the more preferred platform for traders that are seeking advanced tools and higher chances of success. Now, I would, of course, strongly recommend that you do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions whether you would be using PU Prime or Plus500. But in my honest opinion, with all the research that I have done and, with all the trials, and I actually personally use PU Prime in my trades. And that is the reason why I am able to tell you, the strong points and the things that you could consider when you do or pick the online trading platform of your choice. All right. So if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.